Hi everyone, and hope you are all doing very well and wish you all the best ever in your life. So guys, I'm so excited and happy because I am back again to you, and today we have a new helicopter. So today I have the OMP. This helicopter is small and I can say it can work for beginners. Also, you can do a hardcore 3D flights with this helicopter. Honestly speaking, I was thinking like how come those small helicopters can fly very well, because I remember like few years back it is not easy to find like small helicopters and could do the things that this helicopter can do, because the way how you can fly 3D, it is crazy. At the same time, the stability when you are going like to training mode, it is so crazy and very stable. So I think this kind of helicopters will help a lot the new pilots to start flying helicopters. The size is very reasonable. You can carry it with the case easy while you're traveling or you want to go anywhere. Even if you have like your motorcycle, you can put it in your bag and go to the flying field. So today, me and my friend Paul Dimmer from South Africa, we plan like to do a short flight with this helicopter. Guys, for sure, I will not going to push it to the limit because I need to understand the machine. I did only few flights with this helicopter, but I will try to do some 3D stuff with it. So guys, I would love to say thanks to you for the support all the time. Let's go fly and wait for my next videos.